Okay, YouTube, we have a match between inzektors and windups. I just started recording. You haven't missed anything. Solemn Judgment, a Heavy Storm, and Maxi, a tour guide. That's all you've missed. It's windup turn players, and they're playing for Maxi and Maxi for Shockmaster. Card D. I'm tripping. Card D for Shockmaster.
Yeah,
so.
Strike
Bouncer.
Bouncer.
Nigga, I'm tired, shut up. And it's his turn, so. Yeah. And continue.
It's alright, gonna be long in the mix.
How go again? Four cards in hand. Maxi? Yep. Leviathan?
Yep.
Activate effect?
Yep.
Tap your face in?
Second.
That's fine. It was either that or fucking Hornet. Damn it. Why would it be a Hornet?
I'm gonna be a Hornet.
The bend. Why would it be a Hornet?
Oh, he's saying the bow. Hornet doesn't bow, though.
Yeah, the German Hornets don't bow. Okay, I don't know anything about
I'm saying, like, the Hornets don't bow. That's one thing I was really happy about.
Alright, let me cut the hook.
Cut it.
Oh, I can't reach that hook. It's not a hoe, just say it.
Yeah, it's not a hoe, just say it.
There you go. I can't reach it.
My thing's already. It's not a hoe. You're a hoe. Done?
Faster.
Well, that's nasty. That's nasty, nasty. God damn, it's nasty.
I'm gonna put this hoe right here. Because that hoe got a super glare on it.
It's really nasty.
Keep it on the field because you're gonna call the haunted. Ain't that right? Nah.
Hey, who's got the other two super Valors? Josh?
I do.
You do?
Yeah. Because I'm missing my 3. I think I'm gonna left them at home.
Draw. Type 25. 15?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, when the fuck did you borrow them, Jason?
Nigga, you gave them to me when I took Josh's money.
Stupid ass. You don't have them?
I do have them, I swear to God. You gave me, I'm out the binder.
So,
We've already got some Hornet.
Wait, let me see what
So
it
how-
is back.
That's fine.
I gave it to you after this.
quick you can make.
That's fine.
I think he's scooping.
There you go.
Ooh, never mind.
Draw. Tiger.
No, we do play the attack. I might have to be a safe zone.
My chain safe son of your Hornet.
I mean MST.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
You should check it.
Did it die?
It didn't resolve.
Yeah.
Okay, so it still goes through. Tax over. You took 100.
Fucking MST.
You're what, 15?
Mm-hmm. 14.
Alright. So I got. Draw. Tap. The other. Fine, go ahead. Give it to you.
Yeah, torrential set.
Yeah.